Today, I'm going to show you how to create this premium map animation directly in Alight Motion. Let's jump right in by opening the app and starting a new project. First, import your map image. I'm using a city map for this one. To get that high-end premium feel, we need to darken the tones. Go to Effects, then Add Effect and search for Gradient Map. Set the colors to black and white to give the map a clean, professional base. Next, add a solid color layer in black. Switch the blending mode to multiply and lower the opacity slightly. To finish the look, add the brightness and contrast effect to make those details pop. Now, let's draw the path. Tap the plus icon and select the vector drawing tool. Start at point A and draw your route to point B. Once your line is ready, open the graph editor and create a smooth curve. Copy this graph as we'll be pasting it onto all our keyframes later to keep the movement consistent. To make the animation feel more refined, we'll animate the stroke thickness. Add keyframes to start with a thinner stroke at the beginning, then gradually increase it to its normal thickness for a smooth, organic reveal. Now, let's add a small circle that follows the path. Create a circle shape and reduce its size. To make it move along the line, apply the Move Along Path effect. For perfect synchronization, you must match the progress values with your line animation. For example, if the line's keyframe is at 24.7, use that exact same value for the circle's progress. Apply the same graph we used earlier to these keyframes as well to maintain that smooth, consistent flow. Finally, add a quick scale animation to the circle to give it some life. That's it for part 1. Watch part 2 on the end screen to continue. The link is also available in the description.